We'll guide you through how to assign tasks in Todoist. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by opening the Windows Start menu on your desktop, so you can search for installed applications on your computer. Once the Start menu appears, use the search bar in the taskbar and type Google Chrome to quickly locate the browser application. When Google Chrome appears in the search results, click on it to launch the browser successfully on your computer. After the browser opens completely, move your cursor to the address bar at the top of the screen, type Todoist, and press the Enter key on your keyboard to search for the website. From a search results page, click on the official Todoist website and wait for the home page to load properly in your browser. Before continuing, ensure that you have already logged into your Todoist account so you can access your projects, tasks, and collaboration settings without interruption. Once you're signed in successfully, choose the Open Todoist option to continue into the main application interface. After the page finishes loading, the Todoist main menu will appear on your screen with navigation options and project lists available on the left side. To assign a task in Todoist, move your cursor toward the left side of the screen and locate a project that has already been shared with other members. Shared projects are necessary because task assignments can only be given to users who already have access to the project. For this example, select the project called Guide Hub from the available project list. Once the project opens, look for an available task that you want to assign to someone. Click on the selected task to open its detailed view and additional task settings. After clicking the task, a pop-up menu or Task Details window will appear on your screen. Inside this window, locate the Assignee option and click on it to manage task assignments. A list containing all members who have access to the selected project will then appear on your screen. From this list, you can assign the task either to yourself, which is marked as me, or to another teammate who is part of the shared project. Carefully select the desired account by clicking on the member's name or profile icon. Once selected, their account icon will immediately appear in the Assignee section, confirming that the task has been assigned successfully.